Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's super great having you guys here today. It's really great doing another video for you today. So today guys, basically what I'll be doing today, I will be sharing with you basically cryptocurrency exchanges that I use and basically the referral program that they do offer. So yes guys, so before I get into the video, I just want to say some of the referral programs um if you're interested in signing up with them, um, I won't be, I won't like have a referral link to it, but I will put the referral link from the website down below for you. Meaning, once you sign up with a referral, once you sign up with an exchange, they basically want you to verify your identity. If you don't verify your identity, you won't be getting a referral link that you can earn from by referring. Being said, I will still leave the link below for you where you can just click the link and straight go into that app and you can start you can make your account. Then again, the one that are available in my country that I basically want to share um my identity with, those one will do a referral program, and if you go ahead and sign up with um those links, I will be getting a referral, and so you will be getting a referral too. So just to make that clear. So yes guys, so the next thing that I want to say is, guys, if you're new to my channel, basically what I do here is share with you guys how I'm able to earn online by money making apps, get paid two sides, trading apps, investment apps, stocks apps, so and all of that. And basically I share with you ways how you can do it for free. So once you have a phone or a tablet or a computer and you have a ID, meaning you're an adult by your country, you are able to get started with that. So let's get straight in to the video now. So these are the money making apps that I use. Some of them they do offer cryptocurrency and also NFTs, and they do also offer stocks. So what I'll be sharing with you today is just the cryptocurrency part of it, of the exchanges that I use. So let's get straight into it. So the first one that I want to share with you today is called Wealthsimple, and it's a Canadian um, um, app that you can use. So if you're not in Canada, you won't be able to use this one. So yes, guys. So here I am on the platform, and I'm gonna go to the cryptocurrency section. So I'm gonna go to cryptocurrency. So they do offer around 67 symbol, which is 67 cryptocurrency, and I have basically um list them by market cap. So you can list them by alphabetical or you can list them by most active, but for me I like to do it by the market cap, so I know basically how much money they have. Referral program, I'm gonna share that with you now, so let's get straight into that. So guys, this is basically the referral program that they do offer. So basically what they say is $25 for you, $25 for them. So basically invite friends to Wealthsimpletrade and you'll both get $25 when you fund your account. So let me explain. So once you open a Wealthsimpletrade account, you're able to fund your account from $1 up. Once you fund that account, you will be getting the $25 that they do offer. And because I have identified um my identity, I will be getting the $25 also. So keep that with you. And maybe once you are also basically have your account, you can go ahead and refer someone as well. I always say that's another way of earning, so you can just go ahead and do that. So yes guys, so the next app that I want to share with you is called um Newton. So yes, guys. So basically, here I am in my Newton account, and basically they have the same, not the same, but similar offer when it comes to referral. So basically, what they say is invite a friend, and you will both get $25 when they trade over 100 Canadian in value. So what that means is you have to trade $100 or more. So let's say you open your account, you put $100, maybe $105 on the account, and after that you go ahead and buy one cryptocurrency, or you can buy you can split it up and buy five. You can buy three, you can buy four, but basically what they're saying, the value that you trade should be $100 or more, just to get that $25. So if you're going to use the platform, I know that if you're going to use the platform, you're going to be trading. So just by using a referral link, you will be able to get that. And just to keep into consideration, so this is in a 90-day window. So once you sign up, you have approximately 3 months just to go ahead and uh, fund your account and do your trade value, so you're able to get that $25. Of course, I will be getting $25 if you do use my referral link. So the next money making app is basically called crypto.com. So here I am, guys, in my portfolio, and basically what we're gonna do, we're just gonna go to the referral program. I do have a link here also because I have identified my identity. So yes, guys. So once you on a platform, you have to identify your identity to get a referral. They won't give you a referral link unless you identify that your identity. So let's get to that. So basically here we are on the crypto.com referral program. So basically what they say is refer and get $25 US and limited bonus for you and your friend. So basically they says when your friend locks up for a Ruby card or above, you both get $25 in um $25 US in Chrome. So they are basically giving you Chrome. For me, I didn't have the fund because I'm gonna show you the Ruby card and how much you have to have. So if I go into cards, guys, and then after cards, I'm gonna go to the Ruby cards. You can see that on the Ruby cards here, there's no fee, no monthly fee, no annual fee, no delivery. But you can see they have a minimum of the amount that you have to put on the card, and that's 15,000 Canadian. I didn't have the 15,000, but I'm gonna show you other ways or you can earn just by basically using crypto.com. I'm just going to quickly go through it because I'm going to go to the missions here, and you can see that here you have daily earning, you have explorer, and you have onboard. For onboard, they're basically talking about their products like the Ruby cards and the cards and stuff like that, and how you can uh spend spend. So basically um this is the explorer. So basically you can see that I've completed some of them. I've completed the token chaser, I have completed the market tracker, the target hunter, and the double defense. So basically, guys, all you have to do is just complete if you're interested in doing it, because you can see that some of them I'm not interested, some of them I'm interested. So I basically go ahead and complete it, and I basically get something called diamonds. So in my vault, you can see that I have diamonds, and I can use these diamonds to go to the store to collect either um Chrome experience or merchandise. So basically just to keep that into consideration. So yes, guys, so basically what I always do is take the Chrome mystery box, and they basically give you Chrome, which is their platform cryptocurrency, and it has a value. So you can go ahead and if you're interested in that. Basically, I take the Chrome because that's just me owning some digital assets. So yes, guys, another way how you can earn is just by staking. Once you accumulate a good amount of token, you can go ahead and stake that. So yes, guys, so if you don't have the 15,000 just to invest to get that at $25, these are other ways or you can earn basically just for signing onto the platform. So yes, guys, so the other app that I do use is called Sweatcoin. So Sweatcoin is basically a platform where you can earn cryptocurrency just by minting, and that just means by moving, walking, skipping, jumping, doing movement. Once you have your phone on, you will be getting your sweat token on the platform, and you can go ahead and basically just keep it for investments or do whatever you will with it. You can exchange it out or whatever you like. So yes, guys, Bitcoin, they do offer a referral program. So basically, when you sign up, when someone sign up, so how it works is, let's say you have an account, you refer someone, you basically get 5 sweat just for doing that. But that is on the app. This is the wallet that I'm sharing with you. So they do have an app. I will be leaving the link for that also in the description for you if you're interested. So yes, guys. So just I'm just sharing with you the offers that they do have. So you can see that they have get up to $500 in crypto rewards. So you can just, you see, so you can see earn more, dual investment. So just all of these things that they do offer if you're interested in. They do offer a card debit mode here. So that keep this into consideration. Also, I do hold some asset on the platform. So yes, guys, as you guys can see right here, I am up at 30%. That's really good. Because I've been buying cryptocurrency and this platform before they change. Before, when you sign up to a platform, they normally just give you a referral link. But now, in order for you to get a referral link, you have to identify your identity. So that's just it, guys. So yeah. So the next app that I want to share with you guys is basically Coinbase. So basically, we're gonna go over to the Earn tab, and you guys, basically, what I want to share with you is the section that they have about earning rewards, and basically, they have option where you can earn. Once you sign up to Coinbase, guys, they do have a learning reward section. You can go ahead and read, understand, learn, do quizzes, and you're able to earn extra cryptocurrency just for doing that. Some of them will you will be earning on different wallets. Some of them you will be earning on the Coinbase wallet. Some of them you'll be earning on the Coinbase platform. So it's just for you to read and understand exactly what you're doing. So yes, guys. So guys, this is basically the video that I want to share with you. Before I go, guys, I just want to say always remember, guys, never forget, keep smiling and keep shining. Bye, guys.